बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो ख़ास तौर पर आपके लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई ओपन माई आईज। आई ओपन माई आईज। आई गेट आउट ऑफ बेड। आई गेट आउट ऑफ बेड। आई स्टैंड ऑन द फ्लोर। आई स्टैंड ऑन द फ्लोर। आई स्ट्रेच माई आर्म्स। I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I step into the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I pick my toothbrush. I I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look out the window. I look out the window. I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I pour some water. I drink the water. I drink the water. I put the glass into the sink. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out some bread. I take out some bread. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I eat my bread. I eat my bread. I chew slowly. I chew slowly. I swallow my food. I swallow my food. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. I stand up again. I stand up again. I walk to the hallway. I walk to the hallway. I pick up my jacket. I pick up my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I open the front door. I open the front door. I step outside. I step outside. I lock the door. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. I breathe fresh air. I breathe fresh air. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. I cross the road. I cross the road. I wait at a traffic light. I wait at a traffic light. I smell fresh bread. I smell fresh bread. I continue to walk. I continue to walk. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I am writing an email. I am writing an email. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. I take a short break. I take a short break. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। दोस्तों अगर वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।